Hey guys, I just wanted to preview what is in your packet that you got from school. So here are Alabama Studies Weekly, week 9, week 10, and week 11. Or it may look like this because we ran out of copies. We didn't have enough for everybody. It's a good idea just to work on week 9 this week. Just read a couple sections each day. And then this is the quiz that goes with it. Week 9 is on one page. And then week 10 and week 11. So just wanted you to know what that was. You, of course, are familiar with the spelling. So there's spelling unit 24. If you'll just maybe do a section each day, that'll just give you a good review of the last few lessons. I don't have a copy of the Food Webs Science, but it looks kind of like this. And it is like we did in class, the reading page and then the answers. So today and tomorrow, maybe just read the other passage like this, highlight what's important, and then after that, go to the next page and answer questions. When you finish that, maybe next week, or if you're counting next week as spring break and not do anything, the following week, you can do this one, How is Matter Cycled? So this would be the third one, if you count the one we did in class as the first one. So you should have a second one in your packet, and then this is the third one. Of course, you're familiar with these as well from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. There's a packet for, you should in your green folder have 10 through 12, so you can finish that. And then as you're starting to read chapter 13, look up these words. I'm fine if you look it up online, or if you have a dictionary at home, and maybe do the vocabulary study. And then after you read all 3 chapters, you can do the back page, the understanding the story and summary. And then when you get finished with that, maybe next week or the next, you can work on chapter 16 and 17. I'll be finishing up the book, same kind of thing. I'm kind of sad not to be reading it with you guys, but maybe we can discuss it a little bit, or you can put some comments as you read. Just no spoilers, please. But we'll talk about that, about how we might can discuss the book. There's also a cause and effect page, character types, facts and opinions, and persuasive writing. Persuasive writing would be at the end of the book when you've totally finished. Cause and effect, you might want to do like a cause and effect from chapters 10 through 12, and then one from 13 through 15, and then one from 16 and 17, if you want to split it up like that. The characters obviously pretty much are the same throughout, so you can work on that at any point, as well as facts and opinions, or you may want to wait till the end of the book to write those. You should have an adverb sheet in your green folder. I thought I had a copy of it here, but do the back of that about negatives. You can't have 2 negatives. Like you wouldn't say, we didn't do nothing. You either say we did nothing or we didn't do anything. And then here's just kind of an adverb review to work on. So you can just kind of do this at your own pace. Maybe one side of a page or 2 sides of a page each week. And then, of course, you're familiar with math dailies. And we have 3 of those. So this week, I'd like for you just to work on week 21. Make sure you understand how to do everything. If you have any questions, please let me know. You're welcome to ask your parents for help if you get stuck on anything. I know we have not talked about decomposing fractions, but you may not have any trouble with that. But anyway, so again, I'll stay in touch with you, and we'll kind of keep up on that. So this is our first official video. Hope everybody's doing well. I miss you guys a lot, but we'll talk soon. Love y'all.